All right, we about to black out all this chrome trim. So I already painted these gray around here at one point in time, but I think I'm gonna change those to black. I did a little bit of paint on that, so we're gonna change all this out. And this little bit of chrome trim in this grill. We're gonna have to pull this grill out. We gotta take some of this apart. So without that, let's get to it. All right, we're going to pop the hood first. And it sticks as usual. There you go. There's a little tap. Oh, I don't know what I did with my good Torx bits, but I got this little doohickey here. We're gonna use that, and we're gonna take out this trim. And I'm gonna lay these screws up here, and it's got a few screws that I'm missing, of course. I'll get those in later. Actually, it needs new. These need to be new, but I ain't too worried about that for right now. You know, sometimes when you're out at night, minding your own business, doing what you're supposed to be doing, and headlights and stuff will catch all this chrome. If you're out camping or, you know, in the woods where you don't want people to see you, if you're a zombie apocalypse, you're hiding from folks, don't want Negan and the crew to come and get you. You don't want your lights to shine. So headlights ain't much I can do about. But some of this chrome I can get rid of and reduce the risk of stuff being seen. Plus, I think it's going to look pretty cool. If you saw the last video, I already did the live thing I did. There we go. We got that. We're going to set that over here for now. And let's go pull this one out. This one has all the screws in it. Oh, that's missing one up top. The neighbor decided to cut his grass while I'm over here. But he needs to get it cut. I ain't gonna say nothing about that. I think this little microphone probably blocking some of that. Hopefully you're not hearing that noise. If you are, I apologize. That's how it goes. So taking these little screws out, this is the slowest way to do this. Hopefully this will be a pretty quick video. I'm gonna try and cut some of it. Try my hand at editing a little bit. I know I normally don't mess with that. Whew. I guess the finger's sore pulling the stuff out, man. Hey. Let's go and get this top one out. I don't know why they made these screws so long. Man. These two bottom ones, they're very long. It's the wind, keep the wind from blowing it out. Yeah, that one's broke off. That's what I thought. I need to get some new ones of those. And the grill comes out with two screws up here. Wow. Oh, we gonna need to get some WD-40 on this and a screw. I think a ratchet. Only 5/32. Yep. All right, we're gonna need some tools for this one. Damn, my wife's taking a nap too. It is what it is. Let me go get some tools. Okay, I have meticulously cleaned this and sanded it down with some steel wool. You know, just went over and covered it down real good. As you can tell, it took most of the old paint off. And I was very, very meticulous in taping this off with the paint and tape and getting that paper around there to get everything perfectly taped off. So now we're ready to put on some of this pro-grade Rust-Oleum truck bed coating. Pro-grade, this is the good stuff. Because I'm a pro, as you can tell. Everything I do is pro, All right, so let's try this out. I think it's gonna turn out looking pretty good. I want to get down in there on this front valence. All right, this sprays on pretty easy. I'm liking this already, man. It covers pretty good. To be honest with you, that's going pretty thick. It's almost like a coating. It's not like paint. It's a little bit thicker than paint. If you're in California, put your mask on so you can't smell this. Whew. They got all those warnings on here for stuff out there. So if my son's watching, because he lives in California, put your stuff on, son. Let's see. Not bad. A little bit of a run there on that one spot, but I don't think you'll notice. Get down in there. There we go. Just a little there. All right. Almost got it. No more shine. I like it. Perfect. Now, let's look at the angles. Let's get a little bit more across here. All right, now let's come over here. Whoop. And let's see if we can get this stuff done perfectly. Sorry about that, little tripod. There we go. All right, now we're gonna hit the back of this. You can tell I prepped it perfectly too. And I'm gonna be redoing this table as another project, so I don't worry about getting paint on it. It needs new boards, as you can tell. Probably don't even need to do the back side of this, but I just don't want stuff showing through, so. Do one light, easy coat. We're almost out. Because I got enough to. Ooh, I do not have enough to finish the back side. Get a little bit in there. There we go. It's still going. Come on. You can do it. Come on. You can finish. Ah, boo. All right. Let me grab the other can. 2 seconds. Hold on. All right. I got another can over here. I got one more in the back of the truck even. All right. I already painted the fender flares on the other side. I got painted with this. I did the fender flares, the mirror, door handles and all that. I still got to do the passenger side. There you go. Like I said, this don't need to be perfect, because I'm going to flip this over anyway. This. There we go. And then we're going to do the real stuff. So when I had to take this thing out earlier too, the damn screws that hold it in, the heads were completely rusted off, so that was awesome. Those did not want to come off at all. But I got them out, so I may have to go get some new ones before I can put this grill back in. There you go. See, it looks good from the bottom down there. All right, put this one from the top going down. Perfect. All right, let's get this thing. Probably could have done those contrasting somehow, but I don't know what got me on this, but for some reason I thought this would look good, and I do like it. I like that blacked out look. The question is, put this one in the comments. Whoa, we almost fell over. Look in the backside, or sorry, not the backside of the table. Hit those comments, let me know if I should do the wheels. We'll go ahead and take a look. Because I spent a whole bunch of money on these wheels. They're H2 wheels, Hummer 2. I think it looks pretty good. That should do it. And we'll let all that dry up. Let's go back and take a look at the truck again. So let me know what you think. There's the turn signal. Should I do those wheels? Because once that's painted with that bumper, the wheel is going to be, I think I will. That'd be a project though. Whew, project and a half almost. All right, let's see. Touch it again. Yeah, but let me know in the comments what you think. Should I do the wheels? Yeah, I might eventually buy new wheels anyway, but there we go. And this one is dead. 2 cans to do the bumper, the grill, and the headlight rings. Almost 2 cans. I think I already used part of that one. There we go. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Let's pop this off of here. Let's take us a look at this tripod. There we go. Let me get some different angle on it. Yeah, it's hard to tell with it sitting without everything back together, but I'll have to come back in maybe before I post this up in the morning. I'll do that. And there was not going to be a video coming out next week. Next Sunday, I doubt that I'll have a video up. I might be able to get something done, but I got surgery coming up. I will be out for a little bit, out of commission. So some of these projects are going to stop. I got to figure out. I got some other things I was wanting to do, but we're going to have to see what happens. So overall, and you see the side of the Suburban, it's blacked out. So the mirror, handles, all the chrome trim up top, or all the way around the window, all that. So I do think it would look better with the wheels done. I don't know. I may leave them. We'll see. And the back is done too. Got the back bumper done, and the door. So the bumper, trim, ring lights, all that stuff is done. I got Suburban. I tried to paint this a little bit. It came out pretty crappy. I'm gonna do something different with that. I ain't real happy with that. Redo it. Well, that came out pretty good. Well, I might paint these hinges black too. That might look kind of different. Paint those black. I don't know. We'll see. Let me know what you think. Should I do the hinges black? I need to vote on that. I don't know if I should do the hinges black and the wheels black. But I think it does look pretty decent. Get back here a little bit. You can see the whole thing. There we go. Yeah, I like that blacked out. I like it blacked out. I think it looks pretty decent that way. That looks pretty good. All right, well, there's the bumper blacked out. I have to put the grill in. Let me see what happens. I don't know. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow and then get this thrown out there on the interwebs for you. All right, let me pause it for now. So that's what it looks like. I still got to put the screws and stuff in it, but I couldn't end the video with just without it being there. I think that turns out. I like that. That looks pretty dang good. Get that other paint on there. That's gonna look real good. Oh yeah. It's pretty sharp. And the finish, you can see, it turned out. I like the way that looks. That's pretty tough. We'll see how it does, how it holds up. Give it a few months, give it some time. We'll see what it holds up like. It looks pretty good though. All right. Thanks for watching, y'all. Hit that subscribe. We'll see you later.